Brush, brush, brush. Oh, pretty tail. Yeah. Gotta take care of your ponies, right? You want a pony when you're a big girl? Yeah? Can you get him out? Want Grampy help? Get him out. There you go. That too? Okay. You can do that. Yeah, those two. Now you got them all out? Is that all your ponies?
Yeah.
Yep.